We all need water and food to survive. We also need oxygen, which is fundamental for sustaining most types of life. Any deviation from maintaining optimal oxygen levels within the body can trigger significant alterations in cellular systemic functions or may cause adverse outcomes, especially in tissues with elevated metabolic demand, such as the brain. I'm Daniel Zoccal, Associate Professor at the Department of Physiology and Pathology, Sao Paulo State University, located in Araraquara, Brazil. And in our recent review article, Select as this month's Editor Speak in Experimental Physiology, we discuss how biological systems detect oxygen deficits and initiate appropriate compensatory responses to maintain oxygen homeostasis.
Hi, I'm Isabela Leirão, PhD candidate in the supervision of Dr. Daniel Zoccal and co-author of this review article. Specialized cells localized at the carotid bifurcation within the carotid bodies are considered the primary responders to systemic hypoxia, sending information to the autonomic and respiratory networks in the brain. The central nervous system can also detect a localized decrease in the brain oxygenation, which may not necessarily correlate with changes in arterial oxygen levels. Astrocytes within the ventral medulla and preganglionosympathetic neurons in the spinal cord possess the ability to sense hypoxia and stimulate key respiratory and sympathetic circuitries. Activating these peripheral and central oxygen sensors in response to decreased oxygen availability prompts adjustment in the brain networks to evoke integrated alterations in ventilation, cardiovascular function, and metabolic rate.
Understanding the work of oxygen sensory mechanisms also holds significant pathological implications given the existence of life-threatening disease associated with exposure to hypoxia or hyperactivity of oxygen chemoreceptors, such as sleep disordered breathing, essential hypertension, and heart failure. Therefore, studies about oxygen sensory mechanisms can help us better recognize the etiology and progression of these pathologies and pave the way for developing more effective therapeutic interventions.